Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Our website is selectmotors.com, updated weekly with new inventory. This is a 2006 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE. The color is silver green metallic, and it has a light ivory interior with olive carpeting and trim. Great color combination for a Land Rover. It gives it a very outdoorsy look, and it's very unique. This is a V8 engine. It's all-wheel drive. This has the active Xenon headlights. When you turn the corner, the headlights actually turn with you. High pressure washers. Body's in beautiful condition. No dings or scratches. This has the luxury package. Gives you a nicer leather interior. Also gives you the center console is refrigerated. A couple of nice features, and deluxe wood grain. So very luxurious, really soft leather. Really makes a difference on this vehicle. It was an expensive option. Here's a look at the olive interior. Power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, heated windshield. It has satellite radio, lots of speakers. This is a premium sound system. It's a Harman Kardon. Has a 6-disc CD. Heated front and rear seats. The driver's seat is 3-position memory. So look at the rear seat. Naturally, they fold down. Here's window and radio controls. There's your heated seats. The tailgate you can open just the top half or the whole thing, depending on what you want to load in there. There's factory floor mats and a cargo liner. Has a full-size spare underneath. Look at the leather seats. Has automatic climate control, left and right temperature controls. Has a lot of controls for the suspension and the different types of terrain that you may encounter. So even though this is a luxury vehicle, it's very, very rugged. Has air ride suspension. Very, very smooth, and you can adjust the height. This is a one-owner, very well maintained. Drives and runs excellent. Thank you for your time. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about this vehicle.